Myofascial self-care stretching is different from yoga or foam rolling. The idea is you want to hold the maneuver for around 3 to 5 minutes so that the collagen and elastin fiber component of the fascia can release. That takes 3 to 5 minutes. So you may feel a little give initially, but hang on. So what you'll do is you'll find a tender area in your body and either place the MFR self-care ball, which is a little squishier or bigger, or if it's an area that has more adipose tissue or you've already had MFR and need to deepen the release, the tennis ball is generally much more intense. That does not mean that it's better. Please don't feel that no pain, no gain is going to work. It's actually rather the opposite. You want to find a spot where it's sore, but not so intense that you're gritting your teeth, holding your breath. You really want to be able to relax and soften for the 3 to 5 minutes, paying attention to what you're feeling in your body. Notice if you feel sensation anywhere else in your body during the release, and breathe into it and try to stay mindful. So try to not watch TV or scroll on your phone while you're doing the release. Just tune into your body and notice what you're feeling.